I like to ask why mechanical engineering is more important in day to day. We have other sectors like we have civil engineers, we have electronic engineers, we have electrical engineers, we have computer science engineers, we have IT people. But even though we need some mechanical engineers too, why? In all sectors.
Determines shape, strength of the materials.
Okay. So, from scratch, if we take the first primary thing is the basic one is material. There are only two things in the world. One is spiritual, other one is material. We are comes under material. Okay, we are material with life. The others also material without life. That's all. Right? We are stone, just pen are also a material but without life. We are also a material with life. Right? Whichever things we can see, it comes under material. The things which we cannot see, it comes under the other way. Okay, it's either spiritual or something else. Okay. If we divide the material into two, one is living materials and another one is non-living materials. Okay, study about living materials comes under biology, zoology, science, something like that. Okay, if we take the non-materials or the materials which we don't have any life, okay, which we don't have any life, so that materials can be further classified into two types. Either it comes under metallic materials or non-metallic materials, right? So if we want to make those materials into usefulness for a living material, we need mechanical engineers. Are you clear on that? If we need to make those non-living materials made useful to the living materials like us. சரிங்களா? இப்போ மட்டும் பென் இருக்கு இல்லைன்னா ஒரு நாலு யூஸ் பண்ணுறது ஒரு பெரிய பிளேட் இருக்கு. We have an iron plate or steel plate or aluminum plate, something like that. Okay, we make those non-living materials which to be useful to the living materials. அந்த plate அப்படியே இருந்துன்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, அப்படியே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லா அது எப்படி யூஸ் ஆகும் அப்படியே. ஓகேங்களா? இப்போ நம்ம படிச்ச டெக்னாலஜிஸ் வச்சுட்டு அந்த அலுமினியம் பிளேட்டை என்ன பண்ணலாம்? உங்களுக்கு தேவையான ஷேப்புக்கோ இல்லை உங்களுக்கு என்ன அப்ளிகேஷன் தேவையோ அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி அதை மாற்றிக்கலாம். அது யாரால பண்ண முடியும்? நம்மளால மட்டும் தான் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகேங்களா? அந்த விஷயத்தை நம்மளால மட்டும் தான் பண்ண முடியும். ரைட்டா? The second thing, if you go to IT sectors or electronic sectors or electrical sectors, something like that, they take projects from all over the world. Okay, in each and every project, we need mechanical engineers in that project. It's because in anything, in everything, if you take, there may be 10 to 15% of work which can be done only by the mechanical engineer. Okay, it can only done by mechanical engineer. So we need those mechanical engineering topics and technologies to convert any type of which converts any type of material to the useful one, which can be either implemented in applications or it can be either used as a new upcoming technologies. Right? So we need mechanical engineers in every sector. Either it may be in a manufacturing sector or an IT sector or an electrical sector. Right? If you take military divisions like defense, airspace, navy, in any way you take, we need mechanical engineers or people who have mechanical knowledge to run a machine. Okay, the common thing which is available in all sectors is machine, right? For manufacturing of a machine, to run a machine, to maintain a machine, we need mechanical engineers, right? So the mechanical is more important in day to life. But nowadays the mechanical engineering is converted into integrated engineering, where this mechanical engineer should have a knowledge on both electrical sciences, electronic sciences and computer science. Okay, so and that too we can see nowadays electrical engineers are also having a part of knowledge about mechanical sciences and the technologies what we are using in day to day. Okay, so this is the basic need or this is the need of our to study mechanical engineering. Okay, and இதுக்கெல்லாம் அப்புறம் ஒரே விஷயம் நாம டெய்லி யூஸ் பண்ற ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் என்னது? இப்போ காலேஜ் வந்துட்டு போறதுக்கு வெஹிக்கிள். ஓகேங்களா? if you take a vehicle, we have so many technologies in it. ஓகேவா? அதுக்கு யாரெல்லாம் வேணும்? மெயினா mechanical எதுக்காக? to create the engine, to make the vehicle to move without any you don't want to speak anything about other specs. For basic thing, we need mechanical engineer who can create machine, who can make engines, who can create transmission, who can make tires, who can make spokes, who can make chain sprockets. so that you can easily move a vehicle from one place to another carrying you. Right? So if you want to add the, if you want to have another, like the next variant of the engine or next variant of the car or bike, you need to add electrical engineering to that, electronic engineering to that, so that you can have a headlight, you can have a tail light, you can have a kickstart, self start, or you can have a, if you have a Bluetooth connectivity device, in the screen you can see who is calling and what are the direction that you have to move. Okay, for that, for enriching the mechanical, we need other devices, we need other engineering. But for the basic, we need mechanical engineers who can create the basic or a fundamental one for in every technology, in any technology. Okay, in whatever technology you name it, those technologies will be created basic by a mechanical engineer. Okay, so that we are going to see what is mechanical engineering, what is the basic, what is the role of mechanical engineer, or what is the purpose of mechanical engineering in day-to-day life or in other sectors. Okay, and what are the traditional methods what you are following in the days to come or days which we have seen before. Okay, and what are the future technologies in mechanical that we are going to adopt in day-to-day life or in the future. Okay.